Some of you don't know the difference between investment and savings. Stay with me. So, Bride by Dakara.
Savings keep you comfortable for a short time. Investment secures your future.
Do you think savings can make somebody poor?
Savings can indirectly lead to being poor. The money that you're saving in your account is not actually savings. You're keeping it to spend it. You will eventually spend it. So did you really save it? I don't think so.
It is called cash flow because it must flow. It is called currency because it must move. At any point you keep your money stagnant, it refuses to make more money for you. For some of you who have 10 million, 1 million, 50 million, 100 million, it has been in the bank for a long time and it's not making any money for you. Invest it in the real estate